Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Academic Bay. I'm Dr. Mohammed Zubair. I hope you would have benefited from our previous video on English essay. On the request of several aspirants, today I'm going to talk about thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? Why do you need one? And how to write an effective thesis statement. So let's start our today's topic. So what is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is the rationale behind your interpretation of a topic or a question. It is the logic at work behind your organization of different points in an essay or research paper. It provides the reader with a window on your research topic, your thought, and the position that you take about a given question. Each essay topic is actually focused on a subject or a theme, and a deeper look suggests that there is an embedded question in it. Remember, your thesis statement is the direct answer to that question. Now, why do we need a thesis statement? A thesis statement is actually a tool for organizing your essay. It provides the logic for connecting different points together in an essay or research paper. All the points in an essay are directed towards proving your thesis statement as true. Remember, each topic for an essay has a subject and it also carries an embedded question with it. Sometimes the question is explicit, however, mostly the question is implicit. For example, in 2022 English essay paper, there was a title, Digital Democracy, Social Media and Political Participation. Now in this case, the subject is development of democracy or growth of democracy, and the embedded question is, which is neutral in tone, that whether social media promotes democracy by enhancing public participation in politics. Your thesis statement will be direct answer to this question. Now, how to write an effective thesis statement? A thesis statement generally comprises of three components. One, subject or the topic. Number two, your assertion about the subject. And number three, your rationale or reasons for your assertion about the topic. Your thesis statement should neither be too specific nor too general. It should be specific enough to help you organize your essay, and it should be general enough to allow you to accommodate several main ideas in it. Your thesis statement must be in decisive language, precise, supported with logical or empirical details. My thesis statement for the example essay that I mentioned above is because social media suffers from the curse of anonymity of the presenter, people hide or carry misleading identities. While democracy requires values like trust and tolerance, hence social media is only promoting negative political participation that is also of limited scale. Therefore, it is not serving the cause of democracy. To summarize my talk, I will ask you to remember two things. One, you need an instrument for organizing your essay, and the available tool is a thesis statement. Very simple. I hope you would have understood the basics of thesis statement. Our next video in this series will be on the methods for writing essays. So please stay tuned, and if you like, please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.